Editor's note. I'm still getting over being sick, so my voice sounds like... Hi. Apologies in advance.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
That's right, folks. It's the end of summer. Well, doesn't feel like it, but amusement parks are announcing their new additions for 2025, and the first spot on our Coaster Advent calendar is going to be King's Dominion down in Doswell, Virginia. After losing arguably its coolest and most iconic ride with Volcano the Blast Coaster, which unceremoniously closed its doors back in 2018, and despite being removed 6 years ago, this coaster has gone on to become internet famous since its demise, with footage of the coaster blasting out of its iconic mountain as it spews fire being seen all over social media, with some people only finding out about its closure once they saw how cool this ride was in old footage. Now, despite closing the ride years ago, King's Dominion has been slow to replace what many would consider to be its most iconic and popular ride. It's okay, Project 305. Look at the flowers. And after years of teasing that something was going to be coming to this plot of land and using the old coaster station, that's all about to change, because on July 31st, the park has announced the name of its new for 2025 coaster is RAPTERRA. That's the name, RAPTERRA. RAPTERRA! Somebody decided to name it RAPTERRA. Yeah, I'm not thrilled about the name either. RAPTERRA. It's growing on me the more I say it in my mouth. But it's a B&M launched wing coaster, and not only that, it's going to be a record breaker, baby. The world's tallest, by 5 feet, launched wing coaster. It says it's also the longest at over 3,080 feet, which is only about 50 feet longer than the previous record. And 50 feet, for some perspective, is roughly the distance between the pitcher's mound and home base, or the length of a semi-truck. So on a coaster, you can imagine how noticeable this extra length would be. Oh wait, look, there it is. There's the extra feet, right there. You see it? See it? Ah, that's just a brake run. But hey, at least this isn't some Six Flags bullshit where it breaks its own record by just 1 foot. King's Dominion has even taken to social media, sharing an elaborate backstory for RAPTERRA, none of which is present in the trailer or ride POV or anything really outside of the napkin they drunkenly wrote this on the night before. But you know what they say about great stories in entertainment: tell, don't show. So since they have no show, let me tell you about it. Centuries ago, ancient leaders built a shrine to honor the mighty Jungle Hawk. People who entered the shrine became spiritually linked and temporarily possessed powers and abilities of the bird of prey. Building the temple at the base of a volcano, Mount Inferno, proved unfortunate. The ground surrounding the magma chamber collapsed, burying the Jungle Hawk temple under mounds of volcanic rock. The temple seemingly vanished from the earth. Archaeologists recently discovered the volcanic site and unearthed the remains of the Jungle Hawk shrine. The bird's ferocious spirit remains at the site, launching brave riders to exhilarating new heights. Cool. So, the story doesn't really justify this new ride as much as explain the sudden disappearance of the last one, Volcano the Blast Coaster. I mean, I guess that does something. I knew we were unlikely to ever get something as crazy as Volcano again, but I'd also be a goddamn liar if I said that this doesn't look like an amazing addition to King's Dominion for their 2025 season, which also happens to be their 50th anniversary. Alright, and now that RAPTERRA is officially announced and well into construction, I wonder when we're gonna finally get a proper Project 305 name reveal.
What is this?
So what do you all think of RAPTERRA? Is this the Volcano the Blast Coaster replacement you've all been waiting for? Or is this bird plus? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know how you feel. I promise I'll read them and maybe even fight with you a little bit. Or in this case, I'd probably agree with you. Probably agree. And we're just getting started. There's a whole lot more announcements coming up in the weeks to come. So I'll see you back here on